Fruit fiber. Orion's fruit fiber. The natural fiber. It is extracted from fruits. This is an excellent fibrous product. Fiber maintains food digestive system in our body and also enhances the digestive organs. This is very important for our entire body. Generally, physicians and dietitians recommend 7 nutrients only. However, both of them recommend considerable intake of fiber content, and it is accepted as the 8th nutrient worldwide. Our body cannot generate fiber content on its own. Our food is the only source that brings the basic enzymes. Consumptions of unhygienic food reflects in our body adversely. It creates a lot of problems. Unhygienic food produces substances which gets deposited in the blood vessel as fat, or it develops as toxins and blocks the functions of our entire body. Then what kind of food we should eat? The food we eat should balance the deficiency in the body and maintain healthy function. A well-balanced body will function smoothly and properly and will keep you active. So, how to solve this problem? What to eat? How to reduce toxins in our body? How to balance and maintain? The only solution is Orion's fruit fiber. Amla fiber and BL fiber are the natural ingredients which is provided as fruit fiber. Removes toxins from your body, controls fat accumulation, and maintains entire system of body. It includes the digestive organs and wipes out the waste particle from your large intestine. This fiber, when taken in, controls the cholesterol in the blood and ensures smooth circulation of blood in your body. The excess sugar through food is also wiped out. Above all, this fruit fiber is a wonderful solution for constipation, and that is our Orion's fruit fiber. Orion's fruit fiber, natural fiber from fruits. Amla and BL fiber keeps you away from the digestive problems, protects your intestine, and increases your digestive capacity. It treats intestinal wounds and also controls fat. It enables to maintain the blood sugar level of the body. It contains 60 capsules. Take 2 capsules per day before food.